Whether you're a post-production pro, an animator, or a visual storyteller, this AI-powered tool offers a fresh approach to planning and executing your projects. Let's dive into Edraw Max and let me show you how you could supercharge your work. So when I open up Edraw Max, here are all the local templates that you could use. And up here, you could choose by what type of chart or diagram you're going to create, or you could search through your templates and files as well. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on New and go to Blank Drawing. And it brings you to the interface here. So on the side here, you have templates like we saw before. You can open up one of these. You could create a symbol. You can insert text. There's different text layouts, images. It actually has an AI image generator, a text to image, and an image to image. So we'll check that out later. Icons and stickers and other charts. Tons of stuff you could do. So in the lower right-hand corner, I can click on this little AI icon. Let's say I'm going to change this to timeline. Okay, so now you're entered timeline drawing mode. I'm going to go into the AI prompt box here, and I'm going to type in YouTube growth channel timeline for 2025. So then the Edraw AI is actually going to generate exactly this based on your prompt. So here it shows an actual timeline starting in January 2025, conduct market research, analyze competitor channels, target audience, going all the way to the end of the year, implementing monetization strategies, achieve 100,000 subscribers. Easier said than done, but hopefully I'll get there. I'm just going to open up a new one and I'm going to show you something else I could do. If I go back down to the AI box and I change this to, let's say, mind map. And right there, it creates a really amazing mind map that you could generate prior to meeting with clients, or if you're just brainstorming. It's a pretty amazing thing to do. I mean, you can see here, it has all kinds of different categories and subcategories, tutorial ideas, tips and tricks, expert interviews, case studies, all stuff that you probably wouldn't even think of when you're brainstorming. Pretty amazing. So obviously, if you want to get more into the design of these, you could click on Beautify. So if I click on Beautify, I can go into the layout and I could change my layout. So if I wanted to have it go this way, if I want to make it a little bit more condensed, I think I like this one. And then you could also change the style. So let's say I want this kind of dark theme. You can go to that. If you want to change the colors of the theme, let's say I want to go with more of a warm tone. Another cool feature, if I click on the text here and I go to Edraw AI, I can go down to translate and I can actually translate the text in one click. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to create one more, and let's go to Flowchart and I'm going to type in. So let's say I want to create a flowchart. This creates a very simple flowchart: start, plan video content, record video, edit video, create thumbnails, upload video, end. By just giving it a different prompt. Okay, now you can see this is a little bit more detailed. Plan video content, research, write video script. So anything you could think of, create a chart, diagram, process it, change the color, change the design. And then here, if I go to images and I go to AI image, if you want to add icons, let's say I want to make a symbol, a 3D symbol of a film camera. So if I click on start creating, and it gives you 4 variations. I like this one, so I'll use this. So you could also do this. You could also add icons and stickers, and you could do the same thing with a sticker, but you would just have to choose the sticker icon instead of the symbol icon. And as I mentioned before, if I wanted to beautify this, I would click on one-click beautify, So overall, the AI features in Edraw Max are really impressive. Implementing the generative AI aspect into a software like this really kind of adds strength to the actual software. A tool like this can really help a small business or a YouTube channel become more productive and efficient. So if you guys want to check this out, check the link in the description. I'll be using this moving forward.